Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a short story named is Tenali Raman and the Weightlifter. Okay, let us start. One day, Tenali Raman and his wife were on their way to the small town of Hampi. They stopped at a village on the way to rest and drink water when they noticed that the entire village had gathered to watch a weightlifter who was putting on a performance. With his big arms and bulging muscles, he picked up a 200 kilograms bag of rice easily in a skip of a heartbeat. Tenali was very impressed and exclaimed, "You are very strong. Look how easy it was for you to lift a 200 kilograms bag." "But I can hold up something heavier. I will carry this hill on my bare shoulders." "How long did it take you to prepare?" Tenali asked the weightlifter. To which he replied, "I worked hard for 3 whole months. Since I will be carrying a heavier weight, it will take me more time to prepare." "6 months would be enough," proclaimed Tenali. "And to help me prepare, I will need a comfortable place to stay, nourishing food to eat, and daily massages." The villagers were really eager to see Tenali perform this miraculous feat, so they agreed to host him and his wife. Each day he was brought food and given massages. Tenali and his wife spent 6 months living in luxury while everybody got more and more excited for the main day. When the day finally arrived, the entire village gathered at a base of the hill, waiting to see what Tenali would do. Tenali stood next to the village chief and said, "Well, give it to me then." "Give you what exactly?" the chief asked, looking confused. "You are supposed to pick up the hill." "I never said I would pick up the hill. I merely said I would carry it on my shoulders." "Do you not have anyone who can pick it up and place it on my shoulders?" said Tenali with a grin on his face. The village chief began to laugh as he realized what Tenali had done. "I bow down to you and your intelligence and witness. A man of your wit and acumen should not be asked to carry such a lowly hill." Moral of the story therefore is, wits are mightier than muscles. If you think it's useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.